Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss how to deal with invalid questionnaires items using Excel and SPSS. The data we will use is like this. Data obtained using a Likert scale. First, we look for the validity value of the item in Excel using the person correlation formula. Drag to right. Yes, the output validity in Excel. After we know the results of the validity test after we get the validity value, then we enter the items into SPSS, then we test their validity again. Copy and paste in SPSS. Choose analyze, bivariate. Yeah. After we know the results of the validity test in SPSS and it turned out that there is an item that is invalid because the significance value, yeah, is below 0.05, namely item number 1. Yeah. Okay. If we want to make a validity value that is not met become fulfilled, or in other words, valid, the way to do this is to change it in Excel. Yeah. The method is that we change the score or number for each item for the respondent until we find a validity value that is considered satisfactory. It would be good if the person correlation value were at least 0.6 or 0.7. Yeah. Mm-mm. Look at the numbers here. If we think the person value has met, then we will enter it back into SPSS. Test the validity again, see what the results are like in terms of significance value. For example, look at the item number 1, which was previously invalid. Now it has become valid because its significance value is less than 0.05. Yeah, do the same thing on invalid items to make them valid.